Welcome to Managing Email and Spam. After watching this video, you will be able to define spam, identify phishing scams, and list ways to reduce spam. Email management is classifying email messages and deciding whether they should be saved or deleted. It can help you prioritize emails, save you time, and increase your productivity. For well-managed email, keep your inbox clean. Use folders and subfolders to organize your email by category. Use rules or filters to automatically move certain emails into folders. Unsubscribe from email lists. And turn off email notifications on your computer to keep distractions at a minimum. But what about spam or junk email? Most email apps and servers block spam and junk mail, but some still gets through. You can configure your email settings to include additional filters. Mail routed to the junk folder is automatically deleted after a set number of days. Spam is unwanted, unsolicited digital communication sent in bulk to multiple recipients. It can be an email, text message, instant message, robocall, or social media post. Spam appeals to digital marketers because it's a low-cost way to advertise products. They use contact lists to legally send thousands of ads in seconds. But cyber criminals also use spam. They send normal-looking ads with prices that seem too good to be true and an urgent Act Now message. Links and attachments in spam can infect your system with malware, steal your personal data, or join your computer to a botnet. Your company and web-based email services filter out spam at the email server level and block domains known for sending spam. But there is more that you can do on your own to help reduce it. Don't give out your email address. Use throwaway accounts. Configure your phone and PC OS settings to block spam. And use a full-featured desktop mail app like Microsoft Outlook. It lets you block email from a sender or domain and create rules to delete spam automatically. Note that you can unsubscribe from email lists, but this just validates your email address, which may result in more spam. Now, hackers use email and messaging to commit fraud. They steal usernames and passwords, bank account information, social security numbers, and more. This is called phishing, and phishing attacks are common because they work. Rule number 1 in phishing attacks is don't click any links and never open attachments. Phishing attackers do their best to make it look like the email or message came from a friend or family member, or maybe someone official like your bank, the government, or a large company. And the story is always the same. They want you to feel fear, greed, or a sense of urgency so you're more likely to make a rush decision. For example, they are alerting you to suspicious activities or logins on your account. They say there's some problems with your account information or your payment hasn't been received and provide a link for you to click and update your payment information. Or they say your account has been breached and offer a link for you to reset your username and password. They say you're entitled to a refund. You simply click the link they provide and enter your personal information. They offer prizes or other free items, but you must respond ASAP to get the deal. Or they demand that you pay a fake invoice to avoid fines or jail time. Now, phishing emails usually have typos and grammatical errors. Make sure to inspect the text, logos, and URLs to see if they look wrong or are misspelled. Close the email and then visit the genuine website of the impersonated company. Manually enter the URL so you get the right site. Let them know about the phishing attack so they can report it to the fraud department. In this video, you learned that spam is email that's unwanted, unsolicited, and comes from people you do not know. Hackers use phishing attacks because they're highly effective. Phishing uses feelings of fear or urgency to trick you into giving up your personal information. Phishing emails have lots of typos and fake links. And links or attachments may install malware.